Once upon a time, in a forest far, far away, there lived a deer. She was the most beautiful deer in the forest, with soft brown fur, big, beautiful eyes, and slender legs. All the other animals admired her, and so did the humans. They would come from far and wide just to catch a glimpse of her, but she was very shy and would run away before they could get too close. One day, the deer was grazing in a meadow when she felt a little tired. She looked around and saw a big tree with lots of blossoms all around it. So she walked over and decided to take a nap in the shade. As she lay there, she felt safe and comfortable. The blossoms were soft, and the tree was tall, so she didn't feel like she was in danger. Plus, it was nice and cool in the shade. It felt so good to be away from the hot sun. She must have been very comfortable because she fell fast asleep. She slept and she slept until one of the blossoms fell on her face. She twitched her nose and opened her eyes. Startled, she jumped up and ran away as fast as she could. From that day on, she never wanted to sleep in the shade of a tree again. Whenever she felt tired, she would find a bush or a rock to sleep on. And whenever the humans came looking for her, they would only find her back. One day, the shy deer was hiding in the bushes when she heard some people talking. They were talking about how they had finally found her. She peeked out and saw them coming towards her. She wanted to run away, but this time she was too scared. As they got closer, she could hear their voices. One of them said, "Look at her beautiful eyes." Another one said, "I wonder if she's as fast as they say." And another one said, "I've never seen a deer this beautiful before." The deer was very scared, but then something strange happened. Instead of running away, she stood her ground. She looked them in the eyes and they couldn't believe what they were seeing. The deer wasn't afraid anymore. She was standing tall and proud, and they couldn't help but admire her. From that day on, the deer was no longer shy. She realized that there was no need to be afraid of the humans. After all, they weren't so bad. The humans loved the deer even more than before. They respected her for being so brave, and they admired her for being so beautiful. And so the deer lived happily ever after.